All right, this is problem number 8 from chapter 9. There are two parts to this question. The first is asking, in which of these 5 cities did housing prices increase the fastest from April 2014 to 2015, using this figure on the right. So what it's asking is, which of these had the highest inflation rate? So let's measure that. The way we're going to do that is we're going to do CPI2, this one, minus CPI1, that one, divided by CPI1. So 179.3 minus 174.5. Let me write New York first, actually. 179.3 minus 174.5 is 4.8 over 174.5. And we'll compute everything after. I'll just write it out first. In Miami, you have 198.5 minus 183.2. Actually, you don't need to write that out. That's just going to be 15.3, right? Divided by 183.2. In Phoenix, I'll just shorten it. Phoenix, you have 150.4 minus 145.4. That's 5 over 145.4. In Dallas, we have 148.8 minus 136.8. That's 12 over 136.8. And then in San Francisco, we have 211.5 minus 192.5. That's 19 over 192.5. Okay, now let's divide and figure out each of these inflation rates. So first is New York, 4.8 divided by 174.5. That's 2.8%. And you're going to, end up with a big decimal. You obviously just multiply by 100 to get it in a percent. So that's 2.8%. Let's look at Miami, 15.3 divided by 183.2. That is 8.4%. In Phoenix, we have 5 divided by 145.4. That's 3.4%. And, of course, I'm just rounding these to the 10th place to be faster. Dallas, we have 12 divided by 136.8. That is 8.8%. And in San Francisco, finally, we have 19 divided by 192.5. And that is 9.9%. So the original question was asking, in which of these 5 cities has housing prices increased the fastest? So in other words, it's asking which has the highest inflation rate. That's San Francisco. 9.9% is the highest of all these inflation rates. It's also asking for part B, can you determine from these numbers which city had the highest house prices? Briefly explain. In 2015. So using just this column, which has the highest house prices? Well, it's very simple. It's the one with the highest CPI, so San Francisco. Because remember, CPI is just a measurement of, essentially average price over a bunch of goods. That's San Francisco because 211 is the highest of all these numbers. So that has the highest cost of house prices. So San Francisco is your answer for both part A and